The practice of Digital India, Jeevan Praman, Digital Life Certificate for Pensioner. Jeevan Praman is a biometric-enabled digital service for pensioners. Pensioners of central government, state government or any other government organization can take benefit of this facility. More than 1 crore families in India can be classified as pensioner families, where the pension disbursed by the various government bodies forms the basis for their income and sustainability. There are about 50 lakh pensioners of central government and a similar number of various state and union territory governments and various other government agencies. This includes pensioners from various public sector enterprises. In addition to this, Army and Defence personnel drawing pension exceeds 25 lakhs. One of the major requisites for the pensioners post their retirement from service is to provide life certificates to the authorized pension disbursing agencies like banks, post offices, etc., following which their pension is credited to their account. In order to get this life certificate, the individual drawing the pension is required to either personally present oneself before the pension disbursing agency or have the life certificate issued by authority where they have served earlier and have it delivered to the disbursing agency. This very requirement of personally being present in front of the disbursing agency or getting a life certificate often becomes a major hurdle in the process of seamless transfer of pension amount to the pensioner. It has been noted that it causes a lot of hardship and unnecessary inconvenience, particularly for the aged and infirm pensioners who cannot always be in a position to present themselves in front of the particular authority to secure their life certificate. In addition to this, a lot of government employees post their retirement choose to move to a different location either to be with their family or other reasons, hence causing a huge logistical issue when it comes to accessing their rightful pension amount. Digital Life Certificate for Pensioners scheme of the Government of India, known as Jeevan Praman, seeks to address this very problem by digitizing the whole process of securing the life certificate. It aims to streamline the process of getting this certificate and make it hassle-free and much easier for the pensioners. With this initiative, the pensioner's requirement to physically present himself or herself in front of the disbursing agency or the certification authority will become a thing of the past, benefiting the pensioners in a huge way and cutting down unnecessary logistical hurdles. Jeevan Praman uses the Aadhaar platform for biometric authentication of the pensioner. A successful authentication generates the digital life certificate, which gets stored in the life certificate repository. The pension disbursing agency can access the certificate online. The pensioner, to avail Jeevan Praman, has to authenticate himself using Aadhaar authentication. He has to provide biometrics, either a fingerprint or an iris, and authenticate himself or herself. Jeevan Praman uses the Aadhaar platform for online biometric authentication. Once the pensioner authenticates himself or herself using Aadhaar authentication, a digital life certificate is created. The pensioner can download a PDF copy of the certificate from Jeevan Praman website by providing his Jeevan Praman ID or Aadhaar number. Pensioner enrollment. Download the PC or mobile application or alternatively visit the nearest Jeevan Praman center to get oneself registered. Provide necessary information like Aadhaar number, pension payment order, bank account, bank name and your mobile number. Life certificate. After a successful authentication, a SMS acknowledgement is sent to your mobile number including your Jeevan Praman certificate ID. The certificates are stored in the Life Certificate repository for making it available anytime and anywhere for the pensioner and the pension disbursing agency. Pension Disbursing Agency. The Pension Disbursing Agency can access the life certificate from the Jeevan Praman website and download the same. Electronic delivery. The life certificates can also be electronically delivered to the pension disbursing agency without any manual intervention. pension disbursing agency can get in touch with government team to enable the e-delivery facility. Get a certificate. Getting a digital life certificate is a hassle-free and can be obtained through various Jeevan Praman centers which are being operated by CSCs, banks, government offices or by using the client application on any PC, mobile or tablet. Download the PC, mobile and tablet application to register for a life certificate. The Jeevan Praman project has been very successful. As on May 2017, 70.41 lakh pensioners are availing this service. Since November 1st, 2016, 53.1 lakh pensioners have started using this service. So this represents one more step towards the project of Digital India.